What's going on, guys? I'm in the shop and I am working on some soft goods. I pretty much got my top done. I'm working on my I can't even say it without laughing. I'm working on my pants right now, or actually the shorts part of the pants. And I used some old shorts. Here, let me get them. I used some old shorts, just to get a pattern somewhat of what I'm gonna be doing or sewing. And check these check these sweet things out. Oh yeah. So I sewed them and they're like super long, and then the ass only comes up to the meaty part of my butt. So I'm gonna have to do something different. I'm messaging Mike with the Darkside Closet right now just to maybe just order some pants from him, because I guess my sewing abilities only go so far, and then I just have to rely on somebody else's expertise. But anyways, I was just gonna let you know what's going on here. I've also been working on excuse me, I've been sick. So I painted my buckle with some gloss black. I'm going to be doing some airbrush all clad 2 spectral chrome on that baby sometime. And I actually already did my forearm rockets with the all clad. Man, look at those things. You can't really tell how shiny they are, but they're super shiny. Pretty nice. 3D printed. I sanded the crap out of them. And then I'm working on my buckles that go on the shoulder also. I got to dirty them up big time. But that's what I'm doing in here. I've also been doing, let me get these stupid shorts off. Goodness gracious, these things. I can't believe I did such a sucky job on that. Let me turn this around and show you what I've got here. So I'm working on my, they're a little dirty. I'm working on some strapping on all this, and I've got the front and the back here. It's super messy in here, guys. Sorry, I've got so many different projects that I'm doing with this thing that I've got stuff everywhere. Just spread all over the place. Let me put my camera here on the tripod so I can try this. So this is like this. I've got the back like that, and this is not done yet. I mean, this is just kind of rough. So that's going to hang over like that, hang down to my back, and of course my belt, I'm going to have Velcro right here. And I think I'm also going to do Velcro on my corset. Let me put that corset on so I can get an idea of how this is going to look. This takes a little this takes a little work to get on. This thing, I mean, it's an actual corset with the little bra clips and everything. Bear with me. It's nice and snug. Okay. So I've got my corset. I've got the front and the back connected. Let's see how this sits on here. So it's sitting a little bit. Well, it's not too bad. When I have my shorts and my belt on, it'll be right here. Well, yeah, that hangs down right there. And I've got my corset. The corset needs to come up a little bit. Okay. Take my shoes off. And then I've got my right. Oh, this is where so I don't have my clips onto this part yet. I have the male clips on the thighs, but I had to redo these. So those are gonna clip. I'll get this down. Those are gonna clip right there. Sweet. Yeah, that'll be perfect. And of course the other ones. We got the other one ready to go too. Yeah, not bad. Just need to get them finished up. Cool. Oh. Put those up here. Oh, goody. Anyways, that's what I've been doing in here. I've kind of, like I said, I've been sick. I was sick week before last, and then I just haven't had time to really get out here and do a video of what I've been working on, but I haven't really been working on much. Just kind of relaxing. Let me show you that top. It's going to be several different pieces, so I'm going to put this on first. Give me just a sec. Ugh. So the first piece is this nice little skin-tight, breathable material, and then this is the top. So I got the elbows sewed in there. It's kind of like a little, I don't know if I'm going to change that or not, but where's the front? There it is. But it actually fits really well, believe it or not. There's my elbows. See my elbows? I've got, and these are all sewn. Kind of like, and then I've got my neck seal part. Yeah. So there's got my neck, my shoulders, elbows. So my top is pretty much done. I just need to fasten these things down like this. But that's pretty much it. And then of course I'll have the corset on. So the ribs will be covered as well. But, alright, that's it guys. If I finish anything else tonight, I'll try to show you guys. Really, I sprayed some more stuff, some filler primer on that helmet, because I got some pieces that I'm working on with that, trying to smooth it out and get it really ready for paint, really. And I needed to paint the grills silver. But other than that, that's really all I've been doing in here. I mean, I've kind of been jumping back and forth with different things. Sometimes whenever I build stuff like this, I just kind of I lose my interest on one part of it and I have to jump to something else just to get my mind off of the other thing. Like, I need to paint all these pieces, but they're just, I need to rig up some kind of paint booth because I don't want to do it outside, because every time I do that, some freaking bug or something lands on it and just messes it up. And then I get frustrated and try to get it off, like piddling with it, and then I mess it up even worse. So one of these days soon I'm going to paint, though. Excuse me. Anyways, guys, that's it. If I got anything else tonight that I finish up, I'll show you. But y'all have a good one. Bye.